Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn German with me. Our today's lesson is lesson number 46, Lesson-46, Animal Vocabulary. Please repeat every word after me. Das Tier, die Tiere. Das Tier means animal, die Tiere means animals, plural. Der Fuchs, der Fuchs. Der Fuchs means fox. Der Hund, der Hund. Der Hund means dog. Die Katze, die Katze. The Katze means cat. Die Kuh, die Kuh. Kuh means cow. Die Maus, die Maus. Die Ratte, die Ratte. Das Pferd, das Pferd. Die Schlange, die Schlange. The mouse means mouse. The Ratte means rat. Das Pferd means horse. The Schlange means snake. Die spinne means spider. Der Tiger means tiger. Die Giraffe means giraffe. Das Hähnchen means baby chicken. Der Esel means donkey. Der Affe means monkey. Der Strauß means ostrich. Das Krokodil means crocodile. Der Büffel means buffalo. Der Bear means bear. Der Elephant means elephant. Das Reh means deer. Thank you for watching my lesson. I hope my lesson helps. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye.